We are learning new information as Plaza Azteca must pay employees millions of dollars in back wages.
The Department of Labor investigated the Virginia Beach-based restaurant chain. Sarah Hammond is live in Norfolk with more.
Yeah, we're here on Granby Street at one of the 40 Plaza Azteca locations up and down the East Coast, and the Department of Labor says this settlement affects about 1,000 employees. The popular Plaza Azteca restaurant chain must pay $11.4 million to more than 1,000 employees. That decision comes after an investigation by the Department of Labor that says the company violated federal law and now owes its workers millions in back wages and damages. The DOL said the business failed to pay some employees who worked up to 40 hours in a work week the required minimum wage. The agency also says Plaza Azteca neglected to pay some employees time and a half working over 40 hours in a week. They also say the employers failed to maintain accurate records of their employees' work hours and pay. Owner Ruben Leon, who lives in Virginia Beach, maintains through his attorney that they did not break the law. In a statement, Leon's attorney Luis Santos said, quote, Plaza disputes it violated the law, but reached a resolution with the DOL to bring closure to this matter and allow the business to continue to focus on being a great employer and providing an excellent customer experience. Leon agreed to the consent judgment right before a jury trial was set to begin in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Virginia. Besides the $11.4 million, the consent judgment also recovered $625,000 in penalties from the employers. In the settlement announcement, Solicitor of Labor Seema Nanda said, quote, this outcome sends a strong message to other restaurant industry employers of the costly consequences that can occur when they deprive employees of their full and rightful wages. And there are 16 Plaza Azteca locations in eastern Virginia, northeastern North Carolina, out of about 40 total, again, up and down the East Coast that are affected by this settlement. Live in Norfolk, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.
Thanks, Sarah. The company will also have to retain an independent consulate to make sure that payroll and record-keeping practices comply with federal laws.